Join us on an adventure to the seven-colored Rainbow Mountain and its stunning surroundings. We pick you up early and take you to a hearty buffet, all-you-can-eat breakfast that fuels our anticipation as well as our bodies. We also greet the friendly locals before our cunning tour guide shows us the ropes. You can climb by quad bike, motorbike, on foot, or atop sturdy horses as we ascend to the elusive colors waiting at the summit. Now we stand triumphant at the peak, surrounded by the surreal beauty of Rainbow Mountain. A spectrum of mineral hues paints the landscape, a testament to the Earth's artistic prowess and our own perseverance. Descending is a gentle return to reality, each step a moment to reflect on the majesty witnessed. On our way home, we stop to enjoy a Peruvian feast of delicacies, reward for our efforts and a celebration of local flavors as we carry memories of the wonders found in the heart of Peru.